Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to make your iPhone flash when you get a text or call. If you're using any iPhone and you want to make your iPhone flash when you get any text message, notification or any call. So let's see how can you do that. You just have to open your settings, and here the very first thing you have to make sure that you haven't any pending software update available. So go for general and go for software update. And from here, you have to make sure that you haven't any pending software update available, or if you have anyone, try to update your software. Once you have done, you have to go back and here go for the option of accessibility, and then you have to go for the audio and visual option. Then scroll down and look for the option of LED flash for alerts. By default, it will be disabled. You just have to enable this. And now you have to enable this toggle if you want to flash your iPhone and don't want your phone on silent mode. So if you want to get flash on silent mode, you have to enable this toggle. And here's the flash I'll unlock. So if you want to make your iPhone only when it unlocked to get flash, you can enable this. But I recommend you have to disable this toggle. So in this way, you can easily make your iPhone flash when you get a text or call. Thank you very much for watching the video. In the next video, bye bye.